Welcome. Today, let's look at biology paper 3, dichotomus scheme of the past Kcse exams. So, remember to subscribe, share, and comment if you have something to say. So, I want to welcome you as we begin. Enjoy and share to your friends.
3. Below are some photographs showing some observable features of leaves. Then you instructed dude, using the features in the order given below, construct a dichotomous key that can be used to identify the specimens. Now the first one, you should start with leaf simple or leaf compound, then leaf venation, margin, arrangement of leaves, pinnate or trifoliate. Now let's start on leaf simple and leaf compound. Should be the leaf simples and leaf compound. So this is the leaf compound, then this is leaf compound, and even this one, this is, and there this is simple, simple. Now let's start by constructing. You say 1 leaf simple, and then B leaf compound. Then we start with the first one, the leaves. They are now you cannot write all the names. You should know characteristics that will differentiate the three. Now you will say here, because you don't have any only one, there are many, you write go to 2, and then you go to 2A. Now you look the 3, how you can differentiate feature. Now I can see parallel veined leaf, network veined leaves. Now I will say leaf with the network veins. Now you say leaf net veined, this is a short net vein, and then B leaf with parallel veins. Now with the network veins there are 2, but with parallel veins is 1. Now we write this one, we write the name of the leaf, which is Comelinaceae. That is a scientific name, Comelinaceae. Now here, because there are 2, you say go to 3. You differentiate. I can see leaf with smooth margin and leaf with serrated margin. Now you have differentiate them. 3A, you say with serrated margin, and then B leaf with smooth margin. Then you identify there are only 2, the Malvaceae and the Nystaginae names. Here this is the Malvaceae, and here this is the Nystaginaceae. Then we have finished with the simple leaf. Now we go back to the go back to 1B, which is compound leaf. Now we have finished with the leaf simple. Now here we say go to 4, then we write 4A. Let's see the compound leaves. Now here we will say leaf with leaf opposite, that have the leaves opposite, and the other one with alternate. We'll say leaf opposite and leaf alternate. These are the opposite and these are alternating. I will say even this is opposite and this is alternating. Only one is alternating, which one is this one, but these two are opposite. I will say leaves with leaf opposite, and B leaf alternate. Leaf alternate. We have seen leaf alternate is only one, but opposite there are two. Therefore, we will say leaf alternate, its name is this one, which is Bingolanaceae. While here now, because there are two, we say go to 5. Now in 5, say 5A and B. This is simple because they are the only two. Now this we will say, because there are 3, we'll say leaf trifoliate, and this one there are many, leaf pinnate. I will say leaf trifoliate, and then leaf pinnate. Now automatically you write the names where the leaf trifoliate is the compositae, the compositae, and the other one is papilionaceae. Now that's all. Thank you to our viewers. I'll urge you to subscribe, share and comment, and God will bless you. This work is not very easy, but do us a favor, please subscribe. Now this is Kcse Biology Practical 2015. Let us enter and see what it contains. The first question, a student is required to spend 15 minutes in reading the instruction. First question, as you see, is from Dichotomus key. You are required to fill the blank space provided. The second question is from bounds. You are required to study them and see the question you are given. Identify the question carefully, and lastly, question 3. Question 3 is for food test. As you see, you are provided with solution D, 4 test tubes, iodine and Benedict solution. Now let's start with question 1. In question 1, as you have seen, it says, using the pictures of animals provided below, complete the construction of the dichotomous key by filling the blank spaces. This dichotomous key is from topic in classification. Students should be able to identify the distinguishing characteristics for each organisms. Identify class, the kingdom, and the characteristics, and the phylum. Let's start with our question. In A, we say animals with backbone and animal without backbone. Come back to the pictures. Animals with backbone are those from phylum Chordata because they have a unique characteristic that says they possesses a notochord, which is the backbone. You should be able to identify them. They are the eagle from class Aves, fish from class Fishes, tortoise and frog, and the not the tortoise, is the frog. These three, class Aves, class Fishes, and class Reptilia, they have a notochord. Now you will say the three have a backbone. Now we are told to go to 2. Those without backbone, we leave that like that. And then you have seen, we have identified the 3. Now you look at distinguishing characteristics of the 3. Like now we will say animals with wings, animals without wings. Now animals with wings is eagle. You write eagle. Animals without wings, you leave like that. You first go. Animals without wings, you say go. They live in water but not for so long. Now you write go to 4. And then you say even this live in water, but now you distinguish this one and this one because they live in water for some time. Now you will say animals with scales, animals without scales. Animals with scales, tortoise. Animals without scale is frog. Now you have identified this one, you have classified it, you have classified this one, and this one. Now we are remaining with earthworm, starfish, spider, and octopus. You come to 1A, you didn't fill the space for B. Now because we have reached 4 and we are supposed to go 5, you say here go to 5. And when we go to 5, animals with legs, animals without legs. Here for animals with legs, animals without legs. Here, because there are 2 with legs and 2 without, you write go to 6 because it's only one characteristics that can only satisfy an organism, not 2. Now because you have gone to 8, you say now for 8 go to 6. Say animals with 8 legs, animals with a shell. Now this is very easy because animals without legs we have been told to go to 7, but here with the legs we have been told to go to 6. Now when we are at 6, animals with 6 legs have been given butterfly. Animals with 8 legs, that automatically you should know that the organisms of class Arachnida have 4 pairs of legs. So we should know therefore that is spider. And now we have finished for go to 6. Now animals without legs, go to 7. Animals with shell we have been given is snail. Animals without shell, we see snail have, but we have classified this one. Now we are remaining with starfish, octopus, and earthworm. Animals with shell we have been given snail. Without shell there are 3. Now you say go to 8. Go to 8. In 8 we have been told animals with jelly-like body and animals without jelly-like body. Now animals with jelly-like body is they are animals without jelly-like body. You can see is the starfish. Don't have this, but this one to have jelly-like body. Now you say here with jelly-like body, the two have jelly-like body. There's earthworm and the octopus. We say go to 9. And animals without jelly-like body we say starfish. Because we are remaining with 2, this will be easy because octopus and earthworm. You say animals with segmented body, animals without segmented body. Automatically you see that the earthworm is segmented into spaces, small spaces. Now you write automatically is earthworm. That's how to answer a dichotomous key. And in other question we look at, a student is given to construct all the dichotomous key. You should be able to know how to construct your own dichotomous key without being provided with the steps to follow. In this year, question 1, they were provided with leaf E, F, G, H, and J, and they were required to construct dichotomous key. Leaf E was a tricolor. And leaf F was maize leaf, and leaf H was a lantana, and leaf H was a twig, and leaf J was a jacaranda. Now you are required to construct a dichotomous key based on the following characteristics in order they are given. Now we start with leaf form. You start with number 1A, leaf simple, and leaf compound. Leaf simple, there were many, so you go to 2, while leaf compound was only 1, which was the jacaranda, which is J. In 2, leaf venation, leaf network veins, leaf with network veins, veins, leaf with parallel veins. There were many with network veins, so we go 2, 3. While leaf with parallel, only one, which is a maize leaf. F, specimen F. 3, according to leaf color, was a leaf with green color, and B, leaf with non-green color. You go to, there were 2, so go to 4. While leaf with non-green color was only 1, which was specimen E. Now we are left with G and H. They had their characteristics. Now the G had serrated margin, leaf with serrated margin. That was G. And B, leaf with smooth margin. That was H. And you have acted a dichotomous key. In 3, below are some photographs showing some observable features of leaves. Then you are instructed.
Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Remember to subscribe, to share. We have books, we sell, we have mapambazuko ya machweo, questions and answers, majibu na maswali ya ngusa jadi, pembea ya maisha, maswali na majibu. Kumbuka baada ya kusoma maudhui, sifa za wahusika, unahitaji maswali kisha mazoezi. Ukiwa unataka, kumbuka kupiga simu, kuandika ujumbe kwa nambari 0726468915 for you to get all revision materials for your Kcse. Thank you very much.